It's early, keep drinking. We're very excited that you guys are here. First thing I want to ask, if you're a claw virgin and this is your first time, just the virgins, make some noise. It's gonna be a good weekend, I can see already. We're very excited to have you here. Claw's getting kickoff tonight, and then the big stuff starts tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, and it's gonna be a great time. We're really excited, and thank you to the bar here tonight for hosting us, and to all of you being here. So just to get the party started tonight with a little bit of a dildo mix, this too is a claw virgin. Tatiana is looking forward to this entire weekend and is really excited to be here. So please welcome with a dildo mix, Tatiana James.
Everyone's bisexual. It may sound strange, but it makes sense to me. I went to Red Lobster. I picked up a girl. And when I went down on her, I thought I'd hurl. She sat on my face, but I couldn't eat her from below the waist. Just wasn't my kind. There's this stuff, ooh, I couldn't eat her, big scary beaver, if I tried. I thought maybe it was just the girl I picked, so I decided I should try again. Went to TGI Fridays, picked up another chick. I took her back to my place and I got sick. She sat on my face, but I couldn't eat her. Breath and braced for what I might find. I saw my ooh, I couldn't eat her, big hairy beaver if I tried. To a sports bar, ignored the jocks and hunks, picked up a drunk ass bimbo and I blew chunks. I sat on my face, but I couldn't eat her. It had a funny taste, like fishy behind. I saw blood, ooh, I couldn't eat her, big bloody beaver if I tried. She sat on my face, but I couldn't eat her. What a fucking waste when we were 69. Cause there was no Peter, yeah, there was no Peter. So I couldn't eat her. No, I couldn't eat her. Big dirty beaver. Could you shut your legs, dear? Dildos are forever. They are all I need to please me. They can stimulate and tease me.